Pero bayad kayo po?
Hindi ko man ako sa sine. Siyempre, natural mo, mamayad ko. Kaya niyo eh.
Ganun po, sir.
Ali, sali ko sana nga no black. Nawasan yun eh. Unang mo ko ng danong. Ano lang ka na eh. Okay, lahat. Ano yan? Left. Ayan. Okay. Ayusin nyo. Ako lang medyo kanita kaya.
No. Why?
I
What
wa-
is it?
I want you to
I will
be
transfer my second number.
I want you to get together.
I want you to be my lady.
So you know what I'm saying? I want to meet you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
soon meet soon.
Maybe.
Did you take your dinner?
Maybe this time.
Maybe.
Did you take your dinner?
Yeah, well, I want you to be dinner. You I'm pay. I will
You're crazy. You're not crazy.
No, I'm not crazy. I'm crazy for you.
I'm rich.
Oh my god.
I want-
You know, but I'm talking with your mom.
No. I want you to
it's
treat.
too expensive.
No. I want you to treat tusok. You know tusok.
Street food.
No, I don't know.
Street food from the Philippines is very yummy. Ice cream yummy.
Is the food?
Yeah, street
Oh,
food.
really?
Then,
The one who get the mistake and the yug balls and
be small. Wait,
he's laughing because he's happy for me because
I met you.
because I met my future wifey.
With you? Andy?
Now I'm shy.
Wala
My favorite food is my country favorite food, chicken biryani. And
This is
Wow! I eat so also too, but the rice in the Philippines is very little.
Chicken bangin lang. Chicken bangin.
In the Philippines, in the Philippines, in your country, you have biryani. In the Philippines, is biringi. Biringi.
Bring kami.
Yeah. I want to see you. I want. Yeah, I cook you.
I cook you. I cook
Yeah.
for you.
But if you go, no.
If you get here.
If you go here in my
Country.
house, in my palace, Palacio. Oh, if you coming there, I dieting chicken to eat you all. I ask my mom to cook my mother. Thank you.
Oh,
I want you to get love with me.
really?
Yes, because I want you. I love you.
Sabot kami
Oh
na.
my god, you love me?
Yeah, really.
Tita Biasa
You see, please close your mouth. Kiawet.
Yeah.
Hindi, my family is the front.
Families. Love. Papi ko ako. Siyempre, barber shopin. Kaya lang naman pahilo ko. Pagkupi ko siyempre. Bayan ko ata sa kanyo. Siyempre, bayan sa liyan. Alam nga namang bayan yung panako. Barber's cut. Barber's cut. Alam nga namang barber shop. Ay, saan mo rin talaga? Siyempre, namin tako ini payahit ko na naman din. Nung bisa ka ba mo tunggal-tunggal kay Chani? Ba, hindi kayo payahit ka na. Liwayo na po rin eh.
Sabi, si Mami, approve niya.
Babaywa na eh, pabila ko plastiko.
Sabi, nag-ipin ko rin pamarami.
Lagi pala rin kaya na rin, lawin mo yun. Rin bayo na rin miyo. Tutukan mo yun, alam mo yan. Nating na rin bayo na rin miyo yun eh, may itong side mirror oh. Nababaywa na eh.
Nag-ipin pamarami.
Ay, may panlawot, nakalamang arnap ngayon, puta pa, nagalanta ka.
Lagi kinangyapay.
Yan mo na yung karburador na, kikintabya oh. Oo. Tanting na. Baka namin pa mag-load kayo, mga commenter.
Oo, nakal pa proseso ba? May amalwaling animal.
Oo ba? Kunting na rin motoran yun. May mga ipagkay. Lalo kang pumogi ka niyan. May infection oras sila.
Nag-ipin pamarami yan.
May pamaram. Masaya ka. O,
O ito may karnapya pa yan.
3 years may ulugan yan. Punta kayo mga gasgas. Yan mula muna. Layang titinang niya pa. Layang kakay-kaya.
Sabi,
Oo.
alam pa masilya yan.
Congratulations. O. Gagalo yan pa inyo. Ate Mel's Gotuan and Paris Money. Patient 16 of
Good morning po, sir.
Good
Welcome
morning.
po kay Ate Mel sa Gatahanan Paris Money.
Ate Mel's Gotuan. At yung Ate Mel's.
At kuya po, mangan pa pa.
Siyempre, mga kupi, baka na niya. Alam nga namang kung magpagupit ko, ba na ako may pagupit.
Ano pong order nyo? At yun pong special lonely overload.
Siyempre, tangmal. Alam palagay mo na ako naman.
Ikayo mo pa.
Bisa, ay katanga doon, order ka. Siyempre, ako din eh. Alam nga namang pan-order yun. Yan. O, dinan mo kung kaya. Ining pamusilo.
Saka
Ang
po.
popang. Ilawin kayo pag Okay.